Like before, we're staying in the interface.dwg file. Now, what we're going to take a look at now is a very quick and easy way of customizing your AutoCAD interface to suit your needs and requirements. Now, you can do this using what they call AutoCAD workspaces. Now, you'll remember in previous videos in this chapter, we customized the quick access toolbar. What we did was we put the layer drop down in it. You can see it there like so. What we also had to play around with in the previous video was those sticky panels when we were looking at the ribbon and the ribbon panels. So what I'd like you to do in this particular video is set things up so that we can then save a new workspace with some new settings. So we're going to go up to the Home tab on the ribbon, click and drag on the Draw panel, bring it out into the drawing area again, like we did in the previous videos. Do the same with the Modify panel, click and drag, bring that out into the drawing area again. So we've now got some customized settings in the AutoCAD interface. So we've got the layer drop down up here on the quick access toolbar, and we've got some sticky panels sitting there in the drawing area. Now, I'm not going to do anything else. Obviously, you can play around with that later. But what we're going to do now is we're going to come down here to the status bar, and we're going to click on this little cog wheel here. Click on it, and you'll see that we are in the default drafting and annotation workspace. On that menu, select Save Current As, and it'll ask you to save your workspace. I'm going to call mine SCB, my initials, and then a dash, and then AutoCAD, like so. So that's my SCB AutoCAD workspace. I'll click on Save. So basically, these settings now are saved to my SCB AutoCAD workspace. If I click on the cogwheel, the little arrow next to it, can you see I'm in SCB AutoCAD now? So if I now select drafting and annotation from that list, you'll notice that the interface changes. The quick access toolbar customization stays the same. The layer drop down has stayed there, but the sticky panels have disappeared. So if I now come back down here and select workspace again, and come down here, SCB AutoCAD, can you see my sticky panels come back? Now, something that's really cool about the quick access toolbar is I can go up here and customize the quick access toolbar, and notice there's a workspace option. So if I click there, there's SCB AutoCAD and all the workspaces again, drafting and annotation, click there, and you'll notice the sticky panels disappear again. So if you want to put your workspace up on your quick access toolbar, instead of jumping down here to the status bar, you can if you want to. And what I'd like you to do is leave that there as you work through this course. So you've now customized the quick access toolbar to have your layer drop down and your workspace drop down. But your little challenge there is to go away and create a workspace that you want, save it as a workspace in that save as function, and then when you go here to your workspace drop down on the quick access toolbar, SCB AutoCAD is there, and there's my sticky panels again. If ever you want to default back to the original settings, make sure you use the drafting and annotation workspace like so. We don't need to use the 3D workspaces that are listed. We're going to be working in 2D for the duration of this AutoCAD Essentials training course.